In this video, I'll show you how to create a Linktree account. So make sure you have downloaded or make sure you have installed the Linktree app on your device. So I'm going to open mine now and I'm going to click on sign up. This is going to load up. So you're going to be able to see an option. So click on sign up with Google. So I'm going to be using my test tutorial mail to do this. That is a test tutorial. So I'm going to just tap on it. Then yeah, this is it. So I'm using this mail for just tutorial purposes. So I'm going to click on continue. So this is for test tutorials. So I'm going to just wait for it to gradually open up. Okay, so what I need to do, my username, I can just, okay, so I'm going to click on continue. So this is the username I'm using, test1235C09, and click on continue. So I just created my own Linktree account. So this is how I can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.